What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Feature Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Soundcore Life Q45 headphones. Now, before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. To pair the Soundcore Life Q45 headphones, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is find the power button right here, and you're going to press and hold for about 5 seconds. You may have to hold for a little bit longer than that, but you're going to press and hold until you see that blue LED light flashing, and that means that it is in pairing mode and it is searching for a device to connect to. So this was my video on how to pair your Soundcore Life Q45 headphones. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.